Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the InstaCuppa Premium Milk Frother. This is the box that it comes in. There's an image of the milk frother right on top, so you can see it. This is the black variant. It comes with a stand as well. We have some information, basically how to operate, how to clean and how to install batteries. This particular device requires two AA batteries to operate. How to operate, I'm just going to read out how to operate very fast. Heat up some milk. It should be warm, not boiling. Fill your glass one third full of milk and dip the whisk halfway to the milk. Press and hold the button on top of the frother to begin whisking. Continue to raise and lower whisk for approximately 30 to 45 seconds. After 30 to 45 seconds, you should have a nice thick head of froth. That's all the information here, and we'll open this and show you what's inside. This is what you'll find inside the box. We have a stand for this milk frother. This is an aluminum stand, as you can see. And this is the milk frother in question. You can notice the InstaCuppa logo right over here. It comes with this black and silver color variant, silver being this part and the stainless steel part as well. This is where the batteries go in. You'll notice this is where your two AA batteries will go in. I unfortunately don't have two AA batteries to show you how this works. But that's it. There's a matte black finish over here, and this is basically the whisker attachment. This is not removable. This is the button that you press. This is a single button operation that you press in order to whisk, and once you're done whisking and cleaning, you can rest it on the stand like so. This is what you will find inside the box containing the InstaCuppa Premium Milk Frother. Thank you for watching.